Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Celery is an asynchronous task queue/job queue based on distributed message passing. It is used to run time-consuming tasks in the background without blocking the main application. When combined with Django, it allows for efficient handling of tasks like sending emails, processing images, or any other long-running process. Introduction to Django and Celery. In this tutorial, we will cover the following. 1. Setting up Django. 2. Installing Celery. 3. Configuring Celery with Django. 4. Creating a simple Celery task. 5. Running Celery workers. 6. Testing the Celery task. Step 1. Setting up Django. First, ensure that you have Django installed. If not, you can install it using pip bash pip install Django. Create a new Django project. Bash django-admin start project myproject. Cd myproject. Create a new Django app. Bash Python manage.py startapp myapp. Step 2. Installing Celery. You can install Celery using pip as follows. Bash pip install Celery. To use Celery with Django, you'll also need a message broker. The most common ones are rabbitmq and redis. For this example, we'll use redis. To install redis, follow the instructions for your operating system. Once installed, you can start the redis server. Bash redis server. Step 3. Configuring Celery with Django. In your Django project directory, create a new file named celery.py in the same directory as settings.py. Python myproject/celery.py. Import OS. From Celery import Celery. os.environ.setDefault, Django_settings_module, myproject.settings. App equals Celery, myproject. App config_from_object, Django.conf settings, namespace equals Celery. App autodiscover_tasks. Next, add the Celery configuration to your settings.py file. Python myproject/settings.py. Add this at the bottom of the file. Celery_broker_URL equals redis/localhost 6379/0 using redis as the message broker. Celery_accept_content equals JSON. Celery_task_serializer equals JSON. Step 4. Creating a simple Celery task. Now, let's create a simple task in your myapp app. Create a new file named tasks.py in the myapp directory. Python myapp/tasks.py. From Celery import shared_task. Import time @shared_task. Def send_email, email. Print, f sending email to email. Time.sleep, 5, simulate a delay. Print, f email sent to email. Step 5, running Celery workers. To process tasks, you'll need to run the Celery worker. Open a terminal, navigate to your project directory, and run. Bash Celery a myproject worker log level equals info. This command starts a worker process that will listen for tasks from the message broker. Step 6, testing the Celery task. You can test the Celery task by using the Django shell. Open another terminal and run. Bash Python manage.py shell. Then, execute the following commands. Python from myapp.tasks import send_email. Call the task. Result equals send_email.delay, Test at example.com. Check the task result. Print, result.ready, this will return false immediately since the task is still executing. You will see output in the worker terminal indicating that the email is being sent. After 5 seconds, it will print that the email has been sent. Summary. In this tutorial, we've covered the basics of setting up Django with Celery. We created a simple task to simulate sending an email, configured Celery with redis as the message broker, and ran the worker to process tasks asynchronously. Further reading. For more advanced scenarios, you might want to explore Celery beat for periodic tasks. Monitoring Celery with Flower. Error handling and retries in Celery tasks. Feel free to ask if you have any questions or need further assistance.